Welcome to Continuous Deployment of Cloud-Native Applications by Manish Sethi, a video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Adam Stewart, and I will be Manish's voice for this course. Manish Sethi works as an engineer in Bangalore, India. Over the course of his career, he has worked for startups and Fortune 10 companies, helping organizations adopt a cloud-native approach to architecting massively scalable products. He regularly spends time learning and implementing new technology paradigms and actively finds himself solving practical problems using serverless architecture, machine and deep learning, and so on. He contributes to Bangalore DevOps and the Docker community by writing blog posts, giving talks in meetups, and so on. Let me brief you about this course. Businesses today are evolving so rapidly that having their own infrastructure to support their expansion is not feasible. As a result, they have been resorting to the elasticity of the cloud to provide a platform to build and deploy their highly scalable applications. In this video, we will craft applications that are built as small standard units, using all the proven best practices and avoiding the usual traps. We are going to build everything using Python 3 and its amazing tooling ecosystem. So now let's have a look what we have got in store for this course in detail. Section 1. Understanding Docker. This section talks about container services and running applications in Docker. Section 2. Deploying an application on Docker helps you to understand various terms related to Docker and deploy an application on Docker. Section 3. Building application infrastructure on AWS. Here we will look at AWS services, also explore the architecture of our application on the AWS cloud, which will shape our views on architecture designing for different application or products that you might plan to create in the future. In the later part, we will make use of Terraform and CloudFormation, which is used to build infrastructure on AWS as code. Section 4, Continuous Deployment and Monitoring of Application on AWS, helps deploying our application and create a continuous pipeline for deployment using Jenkins. Here we will monitor the cloud platform and also see tools such as CloudWatch and CloudTrail, which are based on cloud platforms and help you manage your application on cloud platform. Section 5, Architecturing Application Infrastructure using Azure, starts with introducing Azure Platform, which is provided by Microsoft, and will deploy cloud-native application on it. Later on, we will see different approach to build the same infrastructure on the Azure platform. Section 6, Continuous Deployment and Monitoring of Application on Azure, deals with the integration of Jenkins with the Azure platform for CI or CD, followed by open source tools, which have always been a first choice for developers. At the end, we will look at ELK Stack, which has always been popular and is frequently used in many organizations in one way or another. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin this journey together, and I hope you will enjoy the ride.